everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my August 2019 Boxycharm. So I do have a full face of makeup already. I do typically do this video as a try-on style, but there are only a couple of products that I could have tried on, and I'm also filming multiple videos today. You might have already seen this look in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. All of these products, most of these products I should say, came from that box. So I will try to link it down below. I believe that one was posting before this box, but we'll go ahead into my Boxycharm. So go ahead and open this up. Right on top is the card. It looks like the theme this month is Totally Boxycharm. That is what the card looks like. And then on the back, it does have all of the products, and it does say hashtag Totally Boxy with the products. So this is what it looks like when I open up the box. And I'm going to go ahead and pull out the first item, which is this right here. This is from Tarte. It's the Big Ego Mascara. I have never heard of this mascara before. They have a lot of different, Tarte specifically has a lot of different mascaras, so I'm not sure how new or old this product is. But I'm not going to open it because I have, number one, I already have mascara on. Number two, I have a lot of mascaras open right now. So I may use this in my month-end beauty box look. I may not, because I just have so many open and I don't want to open another one just for it to go bad. So I don't know how good it is. I don't know. That is what the brush looks like if you're curious. But I cannot speak to how good or bad this product is because, like I said, I'm not going to be putting it on today. So there is the before and after pictures that they have on the box as well. So I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card. This is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. It's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. That's not a lot of information, is it? I'm going to go ahead and read from the box. It says twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment load, lash loving ingredients, and that's it. I don't know if you guys have used this mascara before. Put it in the comment section down below what you think of it. I feel like there should be more information than that. Anyway, let's go ahead back into the box, and I'm going to pull this out right here. This is from Wander Beauty. It's the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. That is what it looks like right there. I'm going to go ahead and read to you from the card. This is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. So I'm obviously not going to be putting it on today. I will definitely be using this in my month-end beauty box look. If you have never seen that, at the end of the month, I do an entire get ready with me using products from my beauty boxes. So yeah. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pull the next item out. Let's go ahead and pull this item here. This is a lip pencil, I believe, in the shade Chic from Steve Laurent. And it says, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. And by the way, I'm not sure if you care, but I have variation at number 2. I'm going to go ahead and get this open, maybe. One thing that I would say that I don't like is that the ingredients for this are on the plastic wrapper that you take off. So I'm not really liking that. But this is the shade Chic. Okay, so the pencil is very, very brown, but the product inside is not, but it is very hard. That's very hard. I don't know that I want to use it on my lips. But that's the shade. It's more of a deep, like wine red than the brown that the pencil looks. So yeah, but that's very hard. I'm not sure that I'm going to use that on my lips. All right, back into the box. We have this product right here, which I'm not going to open today. I do already have this, and I don't want to open it because, well, let me just read it to you. This is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. So I will agree that this is definitely like, it feels wet, but there is, I think, it's 6 months on this product. Let's open it up and see what the product says. Yeah, 6 months. So I'm pretty sure it's sealed inside. Yes, it's definitely sealed with tape, so I'm going to leave it sealed. I bought this product months ago, and I've had it for more than 6 months. It is not cold anymore. It works just fine as a setting powder, but it is not cold anymore at all. In fact, I just used it in one of my makeup bags, my Shop My Stashes here like a week or two ago, a couple weeks ago, and it was definitely, it's not cold. It doesn't feel wet, but it's still a good powder. So I'm not going to open this one. I'm going to keep this one and use up the other one and then open this one so I get that cooling effect again. All right, and then the last items in here, it's a 2-part eyeshadow. These are from Ace Beauté. I got the shades Iced Latte and Cotton Candy. I am going to go ahead and swatch those, but I'm going to read to you from the card first. So this is the Ace Beauté Glimmer Shadow Duo, and it says high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. So let's go ahead and open them up, and they remind me a lot of ColourPop, at least the way that like the packaging is. All right. They're super, super soft. So that is what it looks like on my fingers. You can see how shiny those are. I mean, they are glimmer shadows, right? All right. There we go. So this one here is Cotton Candy, and this one here is Iced Latte. Super pretty. I could not do a look with just those two shades. They've got a lot of gold glitter in them, which is okay. It's not terrible or anything like that, but it's not something that I typically put on my lids because as I wipe it off, the glitter gets everywhere. So, all right. So that is my Boxycharm for August 2019. I'm gonna go ahead and recap everything I got. I got the 2 glimmer shadows from Ace Beauty or Beauté, Iced Latte and Cotton Candy. Got the Tarte Big Ego mascara in black, the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil, the Steve Laurent lip pencil, and the Becca Hydra Mist set and refresh powder. Of all the items, I would say that my least interesting or least liked product is the lip pencil, just because it is super hard when I swatched it on my hand. Maybe if I, sharpen it and, get down a little bit further into the pencil, it might get softer. I'm not sure. But then my probably second least favorite is the shadows, only because of the glitter, the amount of glitter. I mean, I wiped that off with a cotton pad and micellar water, and I still have glitter all over my hands. So anyway, overall, I'm really happy to have gotten the Becca powder, which is probably my favorite item. And mascara is always nice to have, and I'm interested to try the illuminating face oil, especially as I get into winter and my skin starts to dry out a little bit more. So anyway, that is my Boxycharm for August 2019. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already, please hit the red subscribe button. I really do appreciate it, and the little bell if you're interested in doing that as well. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below. What variation did you get in your box? And what do you think of the products that you got as well as the products I got? One last thing before I sign off for the day. I do have my own online clothing boutique. It is Nimini's Boutique. And if you wouldn't mind checking it out, or if you're curious at all, it is niminis.com. The link is in the description bar down below. I would appreciate it if you just check it out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye, guys.